In a quarter mile, turn left onto Bailey Road.
Bailey Road. That's where we're going. You know what? If I had gone straight ahead back there, then it would be on the right. Now it's on the left.
Take the second left onto Bailey Road, then turn right onto Malby Avenue.
That says one way. No. Okay.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Plum Street.
I should have turned there.
In 300 feet, turn right onto Railroad Street.
She said second right. That's what threw me off.
Turn right onto Bailey Road, then turn right onto Malby Avenue.
This is Bailey. I'll stay here. Yep. I guess if I'd stayed on the main highway, we would have come to Aldi's.
Take the next right onto Malby Avenue.
That was it right there. Oh,
Take the next right onto Church Drive, then turn right onto King Street. In 400 feet, turn right onto Merritt Avenue. Take the next right onto Merritt Avenue, then turn right onto King Street.
Yep. I could just go to the main street and then go straight there.
Take the next right onto King Street, then turn left onto Malby Avenue.
It's on Malby, that's why it keeps sending me back.
Take the next left onto Malby Avenue. In a quarter mile, turn left.
All little houses.
Second World War type houses. Well, it didn't say turn left here. God, they're all the same with a little porch out front.
Next left, then your destination will be on the right.
There it is right there, I can see it. No, that's a back alley. I'm